Okay, Ranjit ji, first of all, good afternoon to you. And yes, I'm very thrilled to have with session with you. Okay, I'm very thrilled to talk to you today because after so long time waiting, today we connected. So yes, I'm happy with that. It's productive for myself also. Today's day, it's productive for myself also. Yes, yes. Introduction. So thank you for asking. My name is Ranjana Srivastava. I'm from Delhi. I'm doing my own business. I have a ladies boutique by profession. I am mother of two kids. Moreover, I am a YouTuber too. This is all about me. Thank you.
That's great. Like really thrilled to know like you are really a businessman and you're managing everything with your house chores or your children like you have. So that's great. So let me start my introduction. I'm Ranjit Kumar Gupta.
Yes, yes.
I am from Faridabad and I'm working professionals having 12 years of working experience in the software field. Like I'm working as a software developer and my role is to lead the team, right? So I'm also leading the team of 20 members in my team. So apart from my education, I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication, and after that, I joined my profession as a software engineer, and now I'm a team lead, right? And if you talk about my hobbies, like my hobby is to interact with the people, sharing our ideas, and getting some ideas from them, and along with talking with the issues, books, different kind of books like technical, non-technical. I'm fond of. Yeah, that's a snapshot from my who am I, right? So that's all from my side.
Okay, nice introduction you have.
Right. Thank you. So could we talk on any topics like if you have? Otherwise, I have one topic like the importance of education in life. So this could be our topic today. So you know that yes, the importance of education, right? Actually the world is become the more technical these days, right? So for everyone, the education is very needed since you start from the shopping, shopping from the market, online, offline, to the every aspects, maybe doing service, like going everywhere, if you are going to book any tourism in your country or international, so everywhere you need, you know, the you have that much information, and the information comes from the education. So without education, you can't be more informed, right? So you know that
Yeah.
I already told you that the world has become more technical these days. So if we actually connected through the video, this is also going through the app only. So maybe the WhatsApp or maybe the Zoom app where we have connected. So this seems also made through the technical journey, like the app developed by the developer. Actually, if I'm talking about everything has been made through the machines, and the importance of machine is like increasing day by day, right? So if you talk about the general education, so it's enough general education enough to get the information, but to take an action or to create something like the technical education is very important, right? So these days you can say uh, actually the source of information is different right now. So everything comes digitally, right? If you are going to sell something, then you have to create their own online platform, and online platform comes from creates from the app only. So the app is created by the technical persons, right? So you can see that the every works has been done by the robot in like Europe and the China's right now. So they have made the robot, and they are doing all these things through the robotics. So after the industrial revolution in England, initially the industrial revolution has been done from the England, right? The demand of the technical education has been increased. So all the countries of the world, they started focusing on increment of their technical skills. Maybe the workers, become the become the technical after getting their technical education. And right now, the booming of the IT sector, the actually the demand of the IT people and the engineers are increased day by day. So, so the people are just taking their efforts to make their technical in all sort of lives. That's why the technical education is very important. So, uh, actually, the advantage of technical education is like if we give the technical education to our youths, the problem of the employment would be resolved because they can get job to the abroads. Their financial condition would be more improved, and the skilled hands and the minds can start their own business. Like you are also a businessman, you are doing your business uh, in on actually in their way, but the way is today's way is like everything is digitally, and you can make your business to the digital platform so that you can create your app, and through app that you can sell your business, sell your products worldwide. So this is also the advantage of using the digital platform. And you know that our India is more populous country, right? It depends on the agriculture right now. But we have seen, you have seen that, like the many machinery came to to be used in the field for the farmers, so that the uh, agriculture works could be more advanced these days. So like through the education or the technical education, we can make our each and every works, maybe from a small business to the smart business, maybe the the farmer works, agricultural works, to actually we can make more smart way through the education. So that's why the education is very important. I'm actually focusing on technical education because the today's world is the world of technology. The the the
Yes,
country,
fully technology.
yeah, the tech actually you can see that the today's financial status will be strengthened through the technology. If you have more technical, then your the financial of any country would be better, because if you talk about any the advanced country like US, so US is having more technical than Asians. That's why they are very advanced in nature. So, that's why the technical employment is very necessary when we get more technical, right? So that's my view. So can you please add in this?
Okay,
Yeah.
yes, your all points, it's a very nice, it was. So I'm totally agree with your point, you know. So yes, you are focusing about technical things nowadays. Like in an earlier era, we had different kinds of things, like only small education field, okay, we had that time, like people, they could focus about their like like science and math, science, or arts only. But nowadays, so many things around us, and we can focus so many things. Okay, like nowadays, robotic time is going on. Digital era is going on. So if we like children nowadays, students, they are good at technical things, so they can go through with their field nicely. Definitely they will achieve something in their life, because nowadays we have a robotic life. Okay, if we have some problem, so like chat gpt can help us different way, like in different way. So you are saying right. Nowadays we should focus about our technical things, it's good. But like some students, they are not good at technical things, some they are good at, some they are good at art, and some they are good at science subjects. So you are focusing only these things, but I have two children. Okay, my daughter, she is good at music and dance, and my son, he is good at science subjects. So that is why like five fingers in our hand, but they are not same, they have different kinds of quality, I feel. And I think like people, they have good interest in difficult, like different kinds of things. So we allow, like we should allow them. You can go through with their subject, we can go through with.
नहीं हो रहा है क्या इधर से?
Hello.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yes, yes. Yes, so like my daughter, she has interest in dance and music. So I allowed her to do such kind of things because her passion is, it's different, and my son, his passion, it's different. So being a mother, I have I allowed them both kinds of things. You can go through with your interest, you can go through with your interest. But you are saying right, if people they have knowledge in technical field, so they can change everything. Like this is the game changer for all, I feel nowadays. Because in front of us different kinds of robotic things, and so that is why we should focus upon these things. I don't okay have knowledge about these things, you know.
Okay, okay. Yeah, right, right. Now you are also good, good
Yeah,
talking about the art and the commerce. So they have also good opportunity. They can avail. But yes, I'm talking about
yeah,
the technical eras. Like everything comes digitally, right? So if you talk about the sort of the means of education, actually the people is getting off the online. Everything is online mode. Mode you can take,
yes,
the classes. If you are to take any, education, like you can take education from the international, college, that you can also
yeah,
divide from that through the online mode. So this is also the technical mode of education. So yes, you already told that, like you're one of the children is go through the dance and art sector. So it's also
yes,
good.
art,
It's also good. Like this is also a department, so they can also good in their the interest. If you have more interest in art
yeah,
dance, then you can go, you can get more opportunity in that later, right? So I'm not talking about
yeah,
this, but
yeah,
I'm talking about the advantage and disadvantage of the technical education right now. So you can see that the world is globalized, right? And the everything is business. So if you can get the chance to sell your product maybe in international market, like you can also go through go through the app or any platforms that you can expand your business. So the
yeah,
technical education is very important. So suppose we
yes,
are going to
yes,
export or import anything, right? So the like mixer at your home. So this is the technical thing. So this is not the traditional thing.
yeah, so
So
many, yeah,
so many gadget is came at our home appliances, like we are using. So all are the embedded based systems, like the electrical systems. So these all are technically we are using. So if I'm talking about, like if we made these kinds of products by our own, by by taking these kinds of knowledge technically, so that we can grow up, right? So we can
yeah,
build any company factory or of manufacturing of these kinds of goods. So in this way, like our livelihood can be better by expanding our business worldwide. So I'm just talking about this one. So if the people can get more educated,
yes,
technically educated, they can make their own business. They can make their own business to the international level, because the world is globalized, right? We can sell
yes,
our
yes,
business to our neighbor country, to the USA, Australia, England, everywhere we can, right? So the technical education, that's I'm
yeah,
asking, that it is very important for everyone's life.
yeah. Yes, yes, you are saying right. You know, like if you talk about only social media, so if like I'm not good at technical things, so I don't know how to operate so many things, how to open account even. Okay, after asking my children, nowadays I am uploading my video, I am making video, I am editing, but after asking them, because I
Mhm.
don't know, I don't have much
Exactly,
knowledge
exactly. You
about
should
these
have
things.
that
Children
much tech.
nowadays, they are
This is,
smarter than us.
yeah,
Yeah.
this is also application. This is the software, like how to
Yes.
operate that. You should have more technical, then only you can.
Earlier I was on Flipkart, so I was selling my suits with online, like with Flipkart apps, and it's good nowadays. In
Mhm.
front of us, this kind of application, this kind of things like digital era, because if we know, so we can lead our business, we can grow in our life easily.
Yes, yes, yes. So really, it was
Yeah.
nice conversation with you, ma'am. So thank you for joining. So
Yes. So Ranjit, you tell me one thing. So you are good at technical things. Yes, you are in IT sector, maybe.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes. So what motivated you to open this channel, like open YouTube channel?
Okay. So actually, the main interest is to interact with the people. Is my one of the important hobbies, you can say. So by interacting with the people, you can understand their mindset, right? And once you start to getting the mindset of the people, that you can easily like communicate with them. And in all sort of life, the communication is very important. If you are doing any business, that you have to communicate with them. You have to, before selling your product, like you have to tell them about your products. So it is very important.
Yeah.
So first of all, like everybody should have these kinds of hobbies, to interact with the strangers, so that like it works. If you are going to start your own business, or if you are doing your business, yeah, or maybe if you are in like in the field of any business, like you told that you have boutique. So like you can also learn that how to sell our business by understand the people's mindset. So for any businessman, for understanding the mindset of the people is very important, like how they look your products, like what their feedback about you, and how you are managing. So everything you are learning day by day, right? So it's my intention to learn
Yeah.
each and everything from everyone, right? That's why I'm just decided
Okay.
to start my YouTube channel. So I have a small YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel, ma'am, and I will also subscribe your channel. Thank you.
Sure. Sure. Definitely, I will subscribe your channel. Okay, you will send me.
Sure, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Ranjit sir. So, shall we wrap up our session?
Sure, sure, sure. We can connect later. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay.
Thanks for your
Okay.
time.
Take care. Bye.